1040, welcome back. Getting you on the path to financial freedom. That is what our next guest is going to tell us all about. We are here live with Howard Brady, the president and CEO of American Eagle Financial Credit Union. Howard, thanks so much for being here.
Natasha, great to be back in studio. Thank you.
So tell us about American Eagle Financial Credit Union. I know you've been around for a long time, I think since the 1930s.
That is exactly right. We were founded in 1935. And during the Great Depression, the federal government stepped in and created credit unions to meet the needs of average Americans. And we've been serving our local community ever since. Today, we serve Hartford, Tolland, Middlesex, and also New Haven counties in Connecticut, Hampden County also in Massachusetts. Here's what we're designed to do. We're actually a mission-driven organization. Everything we do is designed to lift up individuals, families, larger communities, to help them get their financial needs met. We call that financial freedom at the credit union at American Eagle. And we have a really dedicated team designed to deliver on that every single day.
Yeah, it's important for a lot of people to achieve financial freedom, and sometimes it can feel like a daunting task. So I want to talk about the difference between a credit union and a bank, because some of our viewers might actually not know. I know when I first met you, I didn't know. So explain to us what it is.
Well, number one, it's a great question and a really important distinction. There is a real difference. Number one, we're a not-for-profit on the banking platform. That is a real difference right out of the gate. We have a volunteer board of directors. We do not answer to shareholders. So from a profitability standpoint, we're focused on making enough money to reinvest back into the business. Nobody's getting rich in credit unions is the statement that I would make. I would also say, we were just talking about you and your awareness on the credit union. If you were to show up at our North Haven branch as an example today, as soon as you open that account, you become an owner of the credit union, meaning you have a say in how we do business. That's a really dynamic difference between banks and credit unions. And really that yields a lot of great benefits for folks, drives a lot of value. You know, higher deposit rates, lower loan rates, a really agreeable fee structure. And so what that means for folks is that we can create a lot of impact in their financial lives, and it yields a lot of trust in the equation. And that's what everything is in life and in business, is about trust, and we really value that every day.
Yeah, have you seen people, make that switch from bank to credit union and, find success and happy about their choice?
Absolutely. Look, there's a number of choices in the marketplace, right? There are banks, there's credit unions, there are fintechs. All of them serve a certain purpose. Our unique niche is the value proposition that I presented to you, and we find every day that that resonates with people. They can come in, literally tell us what they need. Everybody's needs are unique, but that trust allows us to go deeper in people's financial lives and create that financial freedom. What we call that is their ability to soar, their freedom to soar. And when we do our job right, we can deliver that for them, and that's our call as we show up to work every day.
Now let's talk a bit more about that financial freedom aspect. I know you take pride in educating your customers as well. So you have an event coming up, a seminar where people can learn a bit more about their financials. Tell us a bit about that.
100%. And so on May the 23rd, we're doing a Understanding Your Credit seminar. And everything in life is about credit. It dictates your loan terms, your rate. It can dictate how much you pay for insurance or whether you get your dream job or not. And so credit is paramount in a lot of ways. And so we're going to raise the curtain on that. Unfortunately, a lot of folks don't understand the credit model. We're going to show people how the score is calculated, how you can improve your score, how to establish it. And so there are a number of things that we're going to cover. We're going to demystify that in a lot of ways, empower folks to understand what's really possible there. And so that's at 6 o'clock on the 23rd of May, and it'll be 90 minutes. Our talented team will be there sharing all those secrets so people know exactly what they need to do to get ahead.
Well, that is great. And we have your website right here on screen, AmericanEagle.org. People can learn more about that event. I know you have multiple events throughout the year, so we'll have those listed on our website, WTNH.com, AmericanEagle.org. Howard Brady, thanks so much.
Natasha, thank you.
All right.